how to share Snapchat story. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. Here, you can take snaps and videos and share them with your friends. On this screen, tap on the capture button and take a snap. Then, you have to tap at the very bottom on the option Story. Once you tap on it, you will see a sent notification on the top panel of your screen. Go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Now, scroll down a bit and you will find the option My Story. Tap on the option to view your story. You can also see the viewers once your story starts to reach them. So, by following these steps, you can share a Snapchat story. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.